Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix your money on hold on PayPal. If you have ever received money on PayPal only to see it stuck on hold, don't panic, this is super common. In this video I will show you exactly how to release your funds faster. Now first let's understand why PayPal holds money. PayPal usually holds money to make sure your transactions are safe, and this often happens if your account is new, if you haven't sold in a while, or if your recent transactions look unusual. But the good news is you can fix this. Now for the first step, let's just add some tracking information. If you sold a product, log into PayPal, open the transaction and add tracking details. PayPal will see that the item has been shipped and may release the money sooner, sometimes within 24 hours after delivery. Now second step, update your order status. If you provided a service or a digital product, select Update Order Status instead. Mark it as order processed or service provided. This signals PayPal that your customer received what they paid for. For the third step, ask the buyer to confirm. Your buyer can confirm they received the product or service directly in PayPal. Once they confirm, the hold usually lifts within minutes. For the fourth step is to build a good history. In the long term, keep your account active. Ship orders quickly, use tracking numbers, and respond to customers. The more trust you build with PayPal, the fewer holds you'll face. So, that's how you fix money on hold with PayPal. Add tracking, update order status, ask the buyer to confirm, and keep your account in good standing. Follow these steps and you'll get your money released much faster. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.